Hey folks, man, it's your boy Monk, and we are back with another episode of Monk's Box, your unboxing video series where we unbox tech toys and sneakers. On this episode, we got a pair of sneakers. So we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 4 Retro. And this is an interesting colorway. These just came out. These are known as the dark gray infrared 23 black. And let's get a look at these, man. Shout out to the homie Yenny the Kid for letting me show you these to you. And subscribe to the channel, man. Since you're already here, I want to point out we outside, man. None of these other shoe guys be outside, man. They scared to step into the light and show you what's really going on. But check these out, man. These are fire, dude. This is going to be one of these, another dope 4 pair that dropped this year, man. These are crazy, dude. And there's subtle things going on here, including the multiple shades of gray. I think that helps a lot, contrasting with the black and the white, you know, in the upper sole right here. We got black in this area that's usually white, almost 4s, you know, with the gray and the white and the infrared accent, as well as the infrared jump, man. But this pair is hot. The homie got lucky, man. He been getting lucky lately. I definitely tried for these, but I struck out. This pair is dope, man. You know, we get the really high tongue that's known for these 4s. Inside we get infrared accents, the upside down Air Jordan. The inside of these is also going to be infrared, you know, with the jump, man. But these are fire. This is a fire pair, man. Like amazing, man. They're dropping some really good 4s this year, man. I really like the colorways that have been coming out in 2022, man. This is another dope pair to add to that, you know, trend. But these are fire, man. Like it's the infrared that sets it off, man. I always love this color. When I see it on shoes, I got several pairs that have this, you know, and I definitely look for this. This is one way to catch my eye. That just is a really dope color against almost anything, especially, you know, these black and white color tones. You know, you throw that infrared in there mixed with that, and psh, I'm gonna give you guys the 360 view. There's gonna be no on feet unless I can catch Jenny the Kid later, because I can't fit these. But yeah, this has been another episode of Monk's Box, man. Remember, I keeps it real, bro, even when I'm talking about fakes, man. If I'm talking about fakes, you're gonna know it. If I'm talking about retails like these, you're gonna know it, man. I'm not hiding, I'm not smoking and mirroring y'all. Ain't gonna be no early looks, you know what I'm saying, out of nowhere. You know, like I got plugs with these sneakers sellers and stuff like that, man, with these companies and corporations. Nah, bruh, I'm just a dude out here who like his shoes, man. But we out of here, folks, man. Subscribe to the channel. Monk out. Peace.